Hi, welcome to Online 1300, Introduction to Online Learning. My name is Corey Emery and I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks of this course. I'm so excited that you are here and ready to learn. Online learning has some great advantages, but it can also be really difficult to manage and learn when you have so many demands on your time. So this course is designed to build your confidence and to help you manage and take control of your learning. My desire for you is that you become a successful online learner. In this course, we'll cover quite a few topics. We'll cover critical thinking skills, research skills, and we'll also learn how to write a scholarly paper, to name a few of the assignments. It's really important that you get started right away when you get into your course. So let's take a look really quickly at what you can expect in this course and HBU's online courses. Go ahead and open up your course when you start and look on the left-hand side. Typically, your course will open up to the Start Here area where there are resources for you, this introduction video. And then if you go to the Course Content tab on the left, you'll notice that there's a course schedule and syllabus folder. Inside of that folder are two very important documents that you'll need to get started. If you're like me, you'll want to print them off so that you can have them to look at when you need them. But on here you'll find the assignment layout, the point structure, information on required materials, the outcomes you can expect from this course, along with the topical outline. So those two documents are really important for you to go ahead and access and review right away. The next thing that you'll want to do is go back to the Course Content tab, and every HBU course looks like this. So you'll see 8 module week folders, one for each week that you'll be in the course, and you'll want to open that up and you'll have 2 folders inside of here, a reading and study folder and a learning activities and assessment folder. On the outside of each folder is listed what you can find inside of the folder, and this is really helpful. Maybe you don't have time to complete everything, but you want to have an idea of what you can expect so you can properly manage your time, and you can look on there and kind of have an idea of how many videos you need to watch, if there's any articles, if there are presentations and that type of thing. And the same goes for the assignments, so you can see what type of assignments you will have that week. So go ahead and open up the reading and study folder. In your first module week, you'll want to get started on this right away because there is an assignment due by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. of module week 1, and that is the course attendance review. And this is extremely important to ensure that you stay in the course. So go ahead and complete that assignment before you do anything else. Once you've completed that assignment, you can go over to this other tab on the left-hand side, the discussion board, and in here is an area where we can collaborate together as a class. So we'll communicate with our classmates, you'll communicate with me through this, and you'll notice that there's a community center, a question and answer area, so feel free to use those throughout the 8 weeks that we're here. But for this first week, there's a very important discussion board that I'd like you to complete. It's called the Introduction Discussion Board. And this will be found in all of HBU's online courses. This is an area where you can tell me a little bit about yourself, tell your classmates about yourself. I love to go through here and read people's stories. How did you become an online learner? What led you to this point? What are your passions? What are your hobbies? What's your family like? Just things that you would typically do in a classroom setting when you're getting to know your classmates throughout the semester. This is where we're going to do it online. So access that this first week and let's get to know each other a little bit better that way. You may be wondering how you can contact me, and that is an excellent question. Over on the left, again, you'll notice there's an About Your Professor tab that you can click, and in there there'll be information about me. My email address will be in there, my phone number. Please feel free to contact me via either of those methods. I may not be able to get back to you. If I don't answer the phone right away, I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to set up a time to meet virtually via Skype or some other teleconferencing tool, please just email me a time that works for you and we will make that happen. I know a lot of times it's easier to talk face-to-face than it is to try to communicate through email, so I'm happy to do that if that's what you'd like. Well, there's a lot of information in this video and a lot for you to do this week, so I'm excited to get to know you. I'm excited to help you in this endeavor. This is an excellent opportunity for you. So, if you're ready, let's get started.